Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, it is not going to be a happy one. In fact, if you have been on social media in the last few days, actually like the last month, you know exactly what I am about to talk about. As a longtime Dishan fan, my heart is genuinely breaking. I have shipped Dylan Wang and Shen Yu since the very beginning. We love their bickering, their support, the pure chaos and comfort they had with each other. We all hope their friendship would be forever. But something has changed. After the final episode of the variety show, The In 2026, a massive controversy erupted online. It has led to public statements from both of them, exposing a painful rift in their friendship that has now been laid bare for the entire media and fan base to see. It hurts to even say this, but it seems their friendship might have ended in the most unpleasant way possible. Today, we are going to walk through what happened, refer to the actual screenshots and apologies, and try to make sense of this heartbreak. So, where did it all go wrong? It started during the final award ceremony on the In 2026. The cast was doing a funny awards segment where people were getting light-hearted compliments and cute titles. When it was Dylan's turn, everything changed. So there was a fan account explain the context for international fans who might not understand Mandarin. In this segment, the name given to Dylan was changed. They replaced a character in his name, specifically D with D, which means bottom or lower part. At this point, it points out changing a name like that, especially with symbolic meaning, is not harmless wordplay. It feels deeply disrespectful and humiliating, especially for someone who had taken on a mentor role on the show. But it did not stop there. He was also given a "You Are Just Wang Hindi" award. The tone was described as passive-aggressive and mean-spirited. Worst of all, there were comments made that implied there were private group chats with the rest of the cast that did not include Dylan. Imagine being in that position. You have worked on this show, taken on a major responsibility, and in the final moment of celebration, you are publicly humiliated. Your name is mocked, and you are told you are excluded from a group chat. It is not a joke, it feels like bullying. And that is when things got really real. Dylan, who is known for being chill and easygoing, did something we did not expect. He went public. He posted on Weibo, and it is the most heartbreaking thing to read. He said, "At first, I thought I was being overly sensitive, but after reading everyone's analysis all day, I want to say that I really did feel uncomfortable." This is so powerful. Dylan did not immediately get angry. He doubted himself, thinking maybe he was the problem for being sensitive. But seeing the fans' validation, and seeing the sheer disrespect pointed out over and over. He could not stay silent. He admitted that it did hurt him. This is unprecedented for him to be this raw and public about being hurt by a colleague, and that colleague is his close friends. It shows just how deep this cut went. This post sparked a massive backlash against the other cast members, and people naturally looked to Shenyu, as she was the essential part of this segment. Really realizing the pain she had caused and seeing Dylan's public post, Shenyu responded very quickly. She decided to apologize publicly. Her post is long and she tries to explain her initial intentions. She begins directly by saying, "I'm sorry, Wang Hedi, and I also want to apologize to everyone affected by this incident." She tries to explain the joke. She says she used the name change so he could finally let go of his mentor identity and be himself again. And that in her mind, Wang Hedi is synonymous with all-around talent. She admits she neglected the mentor's feelings. This is where I stand on this as a fan who has watched them for years. I truly believe her when she says she never intended to hurt him. Their dynamic was always built on bickering, but this time, in a professional and public setting, the lines were crossed. She didn't realize the gravity of how it would be perceived by him, especially with the culture context by name change. It was a joke among friends that became a nightmare in a public arena. She also addressed the group chat controversy with a screenshot. She explained that the group chat that does not include you was a joke from the speech and did not exist at that time. She posted a chat showing a new group created on February 13 for the purpose of booking a movie screening, which did include Dylan. This seems like a true statement and it is important context, but it doesn't erase the feeling of exclusion created by the initial joke. And that's where we are. It is just devastating. What could have been a private conversation between friends has now been laid bare for the entire world. Dylan had to go online to validate his own feelings of being hurt. Shenyu had to apologize quickly because she realized she had hurt her friend. The fact that media knew about this before they solved it privately is perhaps the most painful part. It makes us wonder, is this the end? For years, Dishan was our definition of friendship and unspoken connection. Seeing it end in this public, unpleasant way with hurt feelings on both sides is more than just a fandom drama. It feels like the end of an era. I hope they can find a way to heal, but right now as a fan, I'm just sad. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for sharing this sad moment with me. Until next time. Bye!